Nagas in the context of Kailash. Naga, Sanskrit, serpent in Hinduism, Buddhism and Jainism, a member of a class of mythical semi-divine beings, half human and half cobra. They are a strong, handsome species who can assume either wholly human or wholly serpentine form and are potentially dangerous but often beneficial to humans. They live in an underground kingdom called Nagaloka or Patala Loka, which is filled with resplendent palaces, beautifully ornamented with precious gems. The creator deity Brahma relegated the Nagas to the nether regions when they became too populous on earth and commanded them to bite only the truly evil or those destined to die prematurely. They are also associated with waters, rivers, lakes, seas and wells and are guardians of treasure. Some historians say that the region of Kashmir that is situated in the northernmost part of India was the original place of the Naga cult long before Hinduism became a recognized religion as such, as many of the earliest Naga-related artifacts have been found there. This area of land was once in fact a huge lake of about 16,000 square miles and about 2,000 feet deep, surrounded on all sides by mountains, with Tibet to the north, Mount Kailash to the east and the land of Sapta Sindhu, meaning 7 rivers, to the south and southwest. Kashmir was formerly known as Sati Sa, or the Lake of Sati, who was the wife of Shiva, who in turn dwelt nearby on Mount Kailash. Shiva patronized the Nagas, who stayed in this area of earthly Nagaloka, which simply speaking denotes the upper catchment area of the river Satluj, covering the Himalayan territory as far west as Kashmir, Xinjiang, Ladakh, the Hindu Kush and Turkestan, its center being Mount Kailash and Manasarovar protected by Lord Shiva. In global terms, the primary Naga realm is also said to be defined by a whole serpent wrapped entirely around the earth, called the Midgard serpent in Norse mythology, whose head is in the South Pacific. The others, which are like micro-images of this original one, are located elsewhere, for example at Croagh Patrick in Ireland, Lake Tahoe in California and Lake Manasarovar near Mount Kailash in Tibet. Mount Kailash. Mount Kailash stands in the Gangdais Mountains that form part of the Trans-Himalaya in western Tibet and is located near the sources of 4 major Asian rivers, including the Indus, Satluj, Brahmaputra and Karnali, which is a tributary of the river Ganga. It is believed that when the earth was still Pangaea before the continents separated, these 4 rivers flowed out all over the world. As it is so difficult to reach, Mount Kailash has the unique distinction of being one of the world's most sacred yet least visited places. Considered as a supremely holy place by 4 religions, Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Bon faith, it is venerated by billions of people. Gang Rinpoche, meaning precious snow mountain, is one of several Tibetan names for the mountain. Many Sutra books say that sacred Mount Kailash lies behind 9 black mountains from Bodh Gaya, the place in India where the historical Buddha Shakyamuni attained the state of enlightenment. It is believed that Buddha Shakyamuni and 500 arhats flew from Bodh Gaya to Mount Kailash, landing on a rock on the western face of Mount Kailash. In order to nail it down so as to prevent a cannibal demon from carrying it off to the realm of the Nagas, Buddha is said to have stood at its 4 corners. Today, one can still see 4 footprints there, one on each side of Kailash, whereas the surrounding mountains are known as the residences of the 500 arhats. Behind Kailash, the mark of a robe believed to have been left by the demon can clearly be seen. Whereas according to Vedic Hindu texts, Shiva, the god of destruction and regeneration, resides at the summit of Mount Kailash that is regarded in many sects of Hinduism as the ultimate destination of souls and the spiritual center of the world. In terms of Tibetan Buddhism, Mount Kailash is the residence of the most wrathful deity Chikrasamvara. The Tantric tradition of Buddhism describes three principal embodiments of an enlightened being, known as Kayas in Sanskrit and Ko in Tibetan. A Buddha or an enlightened being can have all three embodiments. Dharmikya is the body of reality or spiritual existence. Sambhogakaya is the complete enjoyment body or celestial existence, and Nirmanakaya is the emanation body or bodily existence. Chikrasamvara is believed to be the celestial emanation or Sambhogakaya form of Buddha Shakyamuni, and the story goes like this. Once upon a time, there were 8 space goers, 4 deities and 4 smell eaters, 8 ground walkers including 4 malevolent harmers and 4 cannibal demons, as well as 8 underground dwellers including 4 nagas and 4 demigods. Altogether, 24 of them came to earth and occupied 24 different territories. Their evil presence caused great suffering to all the inhabitants of the earth. Therefore, from the state of the Dharmikya, Buddha Shakyamuni manifested in Sambhogakaya form as the most wrathful Chikrasamvara with 1 face and 12 hands, and in this way subdued all the invaders with his underlying great compassion, converting those 24 sites into the residences of Chikrasamvara and his consort Vajrayogini. In the context of the region around Kailash, both Mount Kailash and Tritapuri are 2 of these 24 territories. The image of this tantric wrathful deity is usually depicted as locked in union with his consort Vajrayogini, symbolizing the ultimate union of wisdom and compassion with the aim of achieving the state of enlightenment for the benefit of all sentient beings. By practicing the tantric meditation ritual of Chikrasamvara, Buddhists try to gain a profound realization of the emptiness of all phenomena and being, described as the supreme bliss of mind. Tritapuri, located a day's journey south of Mount Kailash, is principally a Buddhist site paying homage to Vajrayogini, the divine consort of Chikrasamvara, where its white and red hot springs are considered as the center of this sacred land. Buddhists claim that Tritapuri is the origin of the Tantric tradition of Tibetan Buddhism because it is believed to be where the most furious devil Mata Rota was vanquished, and that without visiting Tritapuri, no merit can even be earned in pilgrimage to Mount Kailash. According to the theory of the 24 sacred palaces of Chikrasamvara, Tritapuri was also one of the 8 lands occupied by the Nagas. The great Indian master Padmasambhava said, "This is the land which is consecrated by Vajrayogini, where all goddesses gather. This is where echoes the sacredness of tantric sound. Pilgrims visiting this land are able to achieve liberation in a lifetime. There are 3 main retreat caves there, one above another. The bottom one is the cave of Vajrayogini, whereas the middle one belonged to Gyalwa Gotsangpa, who established the circumambulation path around Mount Kailash, and the top one, situated inside the Tritapuri monastery, was used by the great Indian master Guru Rinpoche. Naturally arising images of the 8 manifestations of Guru Rinpoche may be seen in that cave that also has a hole in one of its sides. At the time of Guru Rinpoche, there was a female demon who claimed ownership of Tritapuri. Guru Rinpoche vanquished her, transmitting her to the land of Amitabha. Through that process, this hole was made, bringing air from the Naga world to the earth.